Hi, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, and we're going to be working on math. And for math today, you need the extra page, which is page 3 and 4. And you need from the math book this page, there's 2 pages, to 17, to 18, to 19, to 20. So those are the pages you need for math today. And it's going to be so easy, even though we have all these pages. This one is so easy. Okay. I need you to get out like a paper, like an extra paper or a dry erase board and a marker. Okay, because we're going to practice first. So pause if you're still needing to get this out because I'm going to erase it. We are working on count-ons plus 2. And we're going to be working on these for a while because we're wanting you to get really good and really fast and just memorizing these facts. So, on part of your paper, you are going to be, like on this side, we're going to be counting up like this. So we're going to say, I want you to draw this. And a box. This was supposed to be more up. Okay? So what those dots are, it's like we're adding 2. There are 2 dots because we're adding 2. So we say, and we're counting on, we're remembering the first number and counting on. So when it says 6, we don't have to think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just say 6 in your head and you count on. Count on, okay? So we'll say 6, 7, 8. Okay? We're counting on. And so this is helping us to remember how we count on. Let's try this one. Okay, starting with 3, and we're counting on. We don't have to say 1, 2, 3. We know 3. You keep it in your head. Say 3, 4, 5. Okay? Well, we'll do one more. Let's do 7. Okay, so we say this in our head. 7, 8, 9. So this is how we count on. Okay? Okay, now we're going to do some problems. Some of our problems are going to be horizontal, it's called. Sideways. So write out this problem. 5 plus 2 equals blank. We are going to be counting on. We don't need to hold up 5 fingers. We already know there's 5. We keep 5 in our head and we count on. What we can do is we can say 5, 6, 7. You can add, these are called touch points, you can add those dots to help you count on. Okay? You could also do, we could also say 5, 6, 7. Clapping to count on. 5, 6, 7. Or keep it in your head. 5, 6, 7. Okay? That's why we call it counting on. We don't have to think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know 5. 5, 6, 7. Okay. counting on. Let's do another one. Lost my marker. Let's do 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Again, we remember 3, so 3, 4, 5. Or we remember 3, 4, 5. Or we say 3, 4, 5. Those are all ways to count on, either by using the dots, saying the number first and counting your fingers, saying the number first and then clapping two times. All of those ways to count on. Okay? So, we're going to go ahead and do this paper together. Okay? All right. The cord got in the way. So we're going to work on this paper together. So counting on using pennies. So we're going to draw in this piggy bank 6 pennies are in the bank. And so to show the pennies, you could draw circles and then put like a 1, because pennies are 1 cent. But you could just draw circles. So 6 pennies. Okay. 6, whoa, I stepped on the cord. 6 pennies. Okay. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he puts in 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we don't need to count all the pennies. We knew there were 6. So we could say, this we're adding on 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9. So there were altogether 9 pennies. We counted on. I didn't have to count the 6 at first. Okay, turn the page. Oh, I didn't erase this. Okay, a penny has a value of 1 cent. That means it's worth 1 cent. You can count on by ones to add pennies. So here we started with 8 pennies. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So there were 11 cents there, 11 pennies. And we're counting on. So let's do this one. We start off with 7. So I'm going to circle it. 7, 8, 9. 9 cents. Okay, number 2. We have 4, so 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 10. 10, 11, 12. Oh, number 4 is easy. 8, 9. 9. We're just adding 1 to that one. Okay. Turning your paper over. Okay. Kaya has 6 pennies. She is given 3 more. How many pennies does Kaya have now? So by counting on, we're going to say 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Or 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 pennies. Enrique has 7 pennies in his left pocket. He has 2 more pennies. I forgot, I was going to have you circle 6, 3, but he has 2 more pennies in his right pocket. How many pennies does he have in all? So again, we're counting on, starting out with 7, 8, 9, or 7, 8, 9. 9 pennies. Again, same as Kaya. At lunch, Enrique got 3 more pennies. How many pennies does he have now? Counting on, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pennies. Number 7. Elena buys an eraser for 10 pennies. She buys a sticker for 2 pennies. The answer is 12 pennies. What is the question? What would they ask? Elena buys an eraser for, or it could be Eliana, buys an eraser for 10 pennies. She buys a sticker for 2 pennies. Then what would they say? How many in all? So that's what we're going to write. How with capital H. Whoops. How many in all? Okay, pause if you need to finish this. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Okay, so now you're going to work on this page. Okay, we'll talk about the first, whoops, I keep wanting to be this page. So you are going to write the number that is 2 more. They did this one for you. 4, 5, 6. They wrote 6. Trace over the 6. So this one, 8, 9, 10. You're going to write 10. 7, 8, 9. You're going to do this whole thing on your own. I think you can handle it. On the back. This one, you're adding across or adding down. So again, you're counting on. You could either use your fingers or clap or use those touch points like I showed you. 8, 9, 10, and write your 10. So you count on from the bigger number. Counting on says it's easy to count on. Add the parts, write the whole. Okay, this says cover, count on to add to. That's just saying, like, because there's kind of the same sort of problems, we're going to be practicing the same problems over and over and over again so that you can memorize them. So they're saying when you do the bottom, cover the top so that you have to try to practice again how to do the counting on. Okay, so remember, counting on, you start with the bigger number, keep it in your head, and you count on. 8. So if it was 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.